What is going on, guys? Today I got some 2018 score from clearance. I started the video and I already just opened it. I didn't look through any of those yet, but we did hit 10 likes on the first mail day video, mail day video. So we will be giving away this Tree Archer Topps Chrome rookie card. All you have to do for this video is just comment 2020 and you're going to be entered to win. You don't need to pay for shipping or anything. I'll put it in an envelope with a top loader and send it your way. All you have to do is just comment 2020, and if you win, I will message you for your details. So there's that. We'll put him back here, and let's get started. So let me move these. Let me get this pack up and move these just out of the way. So we have Whitney Mercedes, Robert Woods, Martellus Bennett, T.Y. Hilton, Phillip Rivers, Mark Ingram, Jacoby Brissett, Josh Bellamy, Jerron Brown, Orlando Skandrick, Jordan Poyer, Jabril Peppers, Aqib Talib, Juju, Marshawn Lattimore, Kirk Cousins. We have Cliff Averill, Marshawn Lynch, Chris Carson. We have a scoreboard of Tyler Eifert, Jordan Matthews red, Marcus Mariota red. That's a neat card. Color Rush Rob Gronkowski. Scoreboard, Signal Callers, Russell Wilson, DeAndre Hopkins, sidelines, another scoreboard, Color Rush Antonio Brown, Luke Falk draft, Antonio Brown fantasy, Julius Peppers captains, Huddle Up Seattle, Deron Payne, Gerald McCoy. For our rookies, we have Bradley Chubb. There we go. Richie James. Marcel Atman. He's all right. Kerryon Johnson. Save that. I'm not even going to... I don't even know how to say that. And Steve Ishmael. So, no one great. Any of those. We're going to open one of these hanger boxes. No one great in any of those. I guess you guys want to see an ASMR video, but let's take a break for today on the ASMR. We got a pack. Ooh, and we got a fat card in there. We have a jersey card in there, everybody. We got a hit out of a hanger box. We have Julius Peppers, Taylor Gabriel. I don't know why these are a little bit warped, but whatever. J.J. Nelson, Eddie Jackson, Marlon Humphrey, my guy. Most underrated corner in the league, in my opinion. Marvin Jones, Josh Gordon, Graham Gano, Melvin Gordon, Frank Gore, Dante Foreman, Jared Goff, Tom Brady, Mason Crosby, Travis Kelce, Chris Thompson, Joe Hayden, Rashard Matthews, Nelson Aguilar, O.J. Howard, Mario Edwards, Mike Evans. Whoa, pile's starting to fall. Mike Evans, Richard Sherman, and Andy Dalton home and away. So not the greatest jersey that we wanted, but it's a hit at the end of the day. Andy Dalton. Put that in the back. We have a Kerryon Johnson scoreboard. So put that back there. Dan Billy. We have Tyreek Hill. Greg Zerlin. Purple parallel. Nick Foles, signal callers. Josh Gordon, all hands. Russell Wilson, sidelines. Case Keenum. Sorry, I'm so used to Kirk Cousins. Christian McCaffrey. Scoreboard. Mitch Trubisky. Gerald McCoy. Michael Thomas. Color rush of Deshaun Watson. Ronnie Harrison. Jason Witten. Celebration, Alshon Jeffrey. Kerryon Johnson, draft. Getting a lot of him. Mark Ingram, Larry Fitz. Lions huddle up. Denzel Ward, put that to the side. J.J. Watt, Kareem Hunt. Shaquem Griffin, keep that. Again, Denzel Ward, keep that. Chase Litton. Calvin Ridley, put that to the side. Chase Evans, put that to the side. Taven Bryant. Vita Vea, we'll also put it to the side. Jake Winica. Deion Kane. Mark Walton. Mason Rudolph. And J.T. Barrett. So the last hanger box we'll open. And we did already get that jersey, so let's see if we get anything in here. And there's another one. We got another thick card, it would seem. How awesome would that be if it was just like a Lamar Jackson or something? Let's take a look. Austin Hooper. Tyler Boyd. Cam Newton. Trevor Siemian. Matt Ryan. Fontes Burfict. Jordan Matthews. Alfred Morris. Patty Mahomes. Put that to the side. Even though it's just 2018, it's his record year, so. Adam Thielen. Jordy Nelson. Alan Hearns. Jarvis Landry. Melvin Gordon. Frank Gore. Mario. Sorry about that. Let me continue. Mike Evans. Richard Sherman. Dominique Ryder-Cromartie. Carlos Hyde. Eli Manning. Josh Doxson. Antonio Brown. Our jersey is Jameis Winston. So not bad. It's okay. Again, neither of these are numbered. So we have Andy Dalton and Jameis Winston. Two now backup quarterbacks. Unfortunately, Travis Kelce. Earl Thomas, scoreboard. It's starting to fall apart, this pile here. Jamon Moore. Jake Elliott, purple. All hands, Gronk. Adam Thielen, sidelines. Signal callers, Tyrod. Color rush, Gronkowski. Scoreboard, signal callers. Hopkins, sideline, another scoreboard. Antonio Brown, other signal callers. Fantasy Stars, Jason Witten. Ronnie Harrison, another Alshon Jeffrey from earlier. Kerryon Johnson. Mark Ingram, Larry Fitz. Huddle Up Lines, Denzel Ward. Captains, J.J. Watt. Mike Gesicki, rookie card. I guess I'll put that to the side. Saquon Barkley, rookie card. Great. Leighton Vander Esch, rookie card. Nice. Ryan Izzo, rookie card. Not bad. Michael Gallup, rookie card. Royce Freeman, rookie card. Josh Rosen. It's okay. I'll still put that to the side. Austin Allen. Cedric Wilson. ESB. A lot of people like him. Oh, and Mark Andrews, rookie card. Great. So this was not too bad. We got 2 hits and a ton of just great rookies and some base. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be making some more soon. be doing a mail day in about a week or two, and I hope you guys enjoy.